Today I will be conducting a interview about with expert. So I will be interviewing Mr. Gil Castor Migabon. So he is an accountant. So I am Rich Leandro Casiano, student from CTU Daan Bantayan campus, and I am interviewing him about accounting. So I have five questions here about accounting. So number one question is, so sir, what does a typical workday look like for you as an accountant?
So, as an accountant, my typical workday mostly is reviewing financial records, preparing reports, and I also meet with coworkers to explain financial information and help them with decision making.
So thank you for that answer, sir. So number two question for you is, what education or certifications are needed to become an accountant?
Most accountants earn a bachelor's degree in accounting. Many professionals also chose to become certified accountants, such as earning a CPA license, which requires passing an board exam.
So thank you for that answer. So number three question is, what skills are most important for success in the accounting profession?
Um, One of the most important skills for an accountant is analytical skills. And also, attention to detail is even more critical. Accountants also need good communication skills to explain financial information clearly.
So thank you for that answer. So number four question for you, sir, is, what challenges do accountants commonly face in their work?
One challenge is meeting meeting the deadlines, especially during tax or audits, because accountants must also stay up to date, especially when there is changing in laws and regulations.
So last question, sir, is, what advice would you give to students who are interested in a career in accounting?
So I would recommend patience within yourself because accounting feels heavy at first, but clarity comes with repetition. Especially practice more than you read. Like solving problems also helps train because it trains your thinking better than memorizing the rules. Yeah,
Thank
that's
you.
all.
Thank you for your straight explanation, sir. So thank you for your time, sir, for answering my questions, and thank you for accepting my interview, sir. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Welcome.